Good morning, everyone. This is Mark with Wear Parts, and with me I've got Eric Derry from our inside sales customer care team. And what we wanted to discuss today was some fertilizer knives that are for very specific applications. We have three different options here. Eric, tell us about these knives here.
All right, first off, this one is to fit the DMI fertilizer applicator. You can see it's got the same bent tube. I mean, that's a clue that tells us it's a DMI. And also it has the punching with the adjustment back and forth, okay? What we've done on this is we have a nice high chrome insert on the front edge of this for extended wear to go along with our standard boron steel plasma cut shank.
Yep.
That does also have a tube protector on it, or not a tube protector, but a splitter on it. So it makes for a very nice knife for that very specific application. The other knife we want to talk about today will fit Yetter row units. So the Yetter units that are for fertilizer application, we make a knife that'll fit those too. Here we have the specific hole pattern for the Yetter up at the top.
Slotted as well again.
Correct. This particular one has a 1/2-inch tube. We also have it available in 3/8 tube. We've got the chrome toe on here, backed up with boron steel plasma cut. That'll be a 3/8 shank.
So what I am noticing when you compare these two knives side by side, this one actually is wider slightly than that one, or is that just the?
Yeah, that one's going to be a little bit wider.
Yeah.
That's the one that goes on the DMI. On the Yetter, you're running right behind the coulter.
Okay.
So
right.
it's you want to try to keep that narrow, tucked in there. Since you're running so close to that coulter, it'll be it's not going to wear this quite as fast. But we do have that chrome on the bottom to keep that thing lasting as long as possible.
I'm just curious on this, the thickness of this. It's actually quite a thin shank on it. It looks like, yeah, it's actually 5/16 of an inch on that particular one.
Really hide behind that coulter.
Yeah, it's tucked right back
in there.
Okay, gotcha. And then it looks like it also has that little splitter on the bottom. That's quite an aggressive one, isn't it?
Yeah, there gives a lot of protection there, making sure that there's not going to be a chance for that dirt to come up and plug that. We also have right here, there's a nice little strip of hard facing to protect that tube even more.
Good, very good. All right, well, that wraps up our specific application fertilizer knives. Thank you very much. Good morning.